Hello, welcome to my channel, The Small Business Doctors, where we give insights on how to start up or grow your business profitably. Business is a very scientific process. It has a lot of systems that you need to set up and follow profitably, so to you can remain afloat in your business. You need data. So data collection and data analysis is a very important aspect of business administration. Whether you're upcoming a startup business or a business that is in growth stage, you need a system to collect data that will you use to administer your business. After watching this video, you'll be able to know how, when, and where to collect the data you need to run your business successfully. But before we get started, please like this video, share it, then ring the notification bell so you never miss our remedies. All the videos that we post that help small businesses to grow will come to your doorsteps. Ring the notification bell. Keeping records in your business is a very important thing. You don't underestimate it because it will help you to know where things start to go wrong. You can't be running business blindly. Mind you, business is a science, it's not an art. It works on data. When you want to take decisions, critical decisions about your business, the best place to refer to is your books. It's very important. I remember what happened in 2020 when the school proprietor contacted me to come and help her revive her school business. I got to that place. I found out that it was only three students left in that school. I was like, what happened? The woman couldn't lay hands on anything. She said that the parents were withdrawing their students until they were left with just three students. So there was no records, no reports, nothing to show where things started to go wrong. So I told her that actually we have killed this brand. For you to revive this school, you need to start everything afresh. You need to create a new brand for the school. So we started the job. First thing we did was to dismiss the remaining three students. We changed the workers, employed new workers, changed the name of the school, changed the signs, the school uniform. In fact, total rebranding. Changed the person that is the face of the school. We did all these things and we went on market research to get the prevalent fees around and the activities of the schools around so that we know how to compete, how to come in again and attract new students to the school. We run, we did a fresh advertisement using the new brand that we created, put a notice in front of the school that the school has changed from so to another name and the management has also changed because it's a community. Information spread, people hear and they tell others that something has gone wrong. And it is bad that you, the owner of the business, cannot pinpoint where the thing went wrong. That is the importance of keeping records. You keep records daily, reports, file reports daily. When we started the revival of that school, I wrote down the books that they need to keep for recording and also the kind of reports they need to file daily so that this kind of occurrence will not repeat itself. It is very important. Try to keep books, note down things, record activities, anything that goes in your business. Make sure you record them. It's not only the finances, it's not only the expenses and income, but the activities, responses, correspondences, even the reactions of maybe parents as school, maybe if it's for school business, parents, customers, other businesses. Take feedback from them, know what they are complaining about, and resolve their complaints. Don't let things go too bad before you start seeking help. Always seek for professional advice, consult for business experts, so that you not lose. Businesses most times go wrong. You start very well, yes, it's going very well, but you can get bad at some extent if you are not following the principles that you're supposed to follow. I was happy when the business picked up again. At least within 1 year, they had up to 100 students. The business started to boom, like the school business, 100 students, and by now they have more than 200 students. The business is well situated. The owner of business has the building, the site, has everything inside. But it's just they lost focus. They didn't maintain what they are supposed to maintain. The business principles were abandoned. There was no system. That was why they had that issue. But now everything is in place. The business is working smoothly. They are seeing what they are doing. They have every data to make decisions, even to predict the future, forecasting. They have enough data now because they have books that they are keeping. All the records are there. Every report's there. Feedback from customers are there. Those are the things that will help your business to grow. So in this video, you can take home different ways you can use to collect valuable information that you use to manage your business effectively. The kind of information you need to collect from your customers, which you will need to make business decisions and strategy. When you are interacting with customers, make sure you have a system of collecting different kinds of information from them. I'll list them one by one. Number one is their contact details. The contact details, which includes their name, their phone number, and possibly their address. Even when they are still at the stage of inquiries, make sure you have a system of collecting their contact details. Then number two is the customer's order details. The order details, their preferences, the frequency they order, the seasons they order. Make sure you document all these order details and their preferences. Preferences is whether they like it white or black, whether they like it to be served cold or hot or warm. So all their preferences, make sure you document it per customer. The third one is keep communication records. Every means of communication you have with your customer, make sure you keep the records. Whether you are chatting them on WhatsApp or email or even phone call, you can record the calls you have with your customers. Don't delete any of these communication records because you will refer to them later in your business decision making or when you want to plan ahead or even want to know all the other information, all the preferences, the things they ordered. Communication records very important. Don't delete them, keep them. Fourth one is feedback and reviews. Feedback and reviews. Always get feedback. You can get a form, feedback form. Give your customers. Let them fill the feedback form. On the feedback form, you know how they feel about your products and your services. If you don't have a feedback form, you can put a call across your customers after purchase. Ask them how they are enjoying the product. If they have anything they want to say, whether it is positive or negative, let them feel free to talk to you about your product and about your customer services. Also, give them the opportunity to review the product. This is very important for those of you that are selling online or if you're doing an online business. Product review, service review, company review is a very big edge to your business. It brings more customers to your business. It builds that trust amongst people online. Fifthly, try so much to get their demographic information. When I say demographic information, I mean information like their age, their occupation, and so on and so forth, and the gender of your customer. This demographic information will help you in marketing. When you want to target your customers, you know the age brackets of your customers, know where they are coming from, their gender, whether they are male or female. It's a very important information, demographic information. Make sure that you have a system to collect this information. These are customer information. You don't only keep financial records in your business, you keep customer records. Customer records helps in customer acquisition and customer retention. It will make your marketing efforts to be very easy. Marketing will be very easy if you have customer records. And apart from that, when you have problem with sales, you know where it's coming from and how to fix it. And when you bring in a business consultant to help you, you have some data to present to him, which he's going to use to fix your business, so your business is bound. So customer information is as important as financial records. So customer information is as important as financial records. Keeping customer records will help you in many ways, including personalized marketing, improved customer service, customer retention, which I've mentioned before. It will bring new sales opportunity, product development and enhancement, competitive advantage, and data-driven decisions. These are the ways customer records can help improve your business. To take home the books that you need to keep in your business. As a small business owner, there are some important books that you need to keep. I'll give you some of the books. If you have a biro and a paper, please write them down. They are very important. Number one is the cash book. The cash book is where you record all cash that enter your business. Any cash transaction is recorded in the cash book. It's even one of the most important books that you need to keep in your business. I call it the movement of cash. How does cash move in your business? The cash book will tell you and give you this information anytime you need it. So you need to keep the cash book. Then the second book is the inventory book. The inventory book. Here you record all the stocks in your business, the stock level, both the current assets and the fixed assets. Everything that you have in your business should be recorded in the inventory book. You take inventory either weekly or monthly, depending on how big your inventory is. You can even take inventory daily. You update your inventory book as the case may be. So inventory book is another important book that you need to keep. Then the third one is the payroll. Payroll. This is the book where you record all the salaries, the wages, the benefits, and the tax deductions of your workers, both full-time workers and part-time workers. The payroll book is very important in the administration of human resources. Workers, those you pay weekly, daily, monthly, you record everything that is pertaining to every worker in the payroll. Then this one is the one that I know you're very conversant with, the sales book. The sales book is where you record every transaction that happens in your business. When I mean transaction, I mean both the receipts and the invoices. This is you record in sales book whether you have received cash or not, so far as you have made sales. Every sales is recorded in the sales book, whether it's credit sales or cash sales, whether it's the money was paid in the bank account, you record it in the sales book. Then the fifth one is the purchase book. Purchase book, where you record everything that you buy for your business. It's either the stock that you buy, whatever inventory that you use for production, you record it in the purchase book. As soon as that purchase is made, you record it. So another one is the asset register. Asset register. This is a book that keeps records of all the assets you have in your business. Every garden thing you have in your business, be it equipment, machineries, buildings, every asset that your business has should be recorded in this book and always updated. Once a new asset is acquired, make sure you enter it into the asset register. Asset register helps you to track your fixed assets, your depreciation, and amortization. This is the function of your asset register. It helps you to track all these things and keep you up to date. Now, the seventh one, which I know that is very important and most of you are using it already, is the expense book. Expense book. Sometimes you can combine it with the purchase book, but for clarity purposes, it's always good. It's better to separate the expense book and the purchase book from the purchase book. The expense book helps you to track every expenditure pertaining to your business, office expenses, and so on and so forth. Whatever expenses made, whether it has been paid or not, you record it in the expense Then the eighth one I'll give you now is not a book per se, but it's equally an important documentation that you need. It's called a bank statement. This junction, I would like to reiterate the need for every business to use corporate bank for their transactions. Separate your personal expenses from your business expenses. You must have a bank for your business. Let every money be paid into the bank. Then at the end of maybe monthly or quarterly, you can bring a bank statement from your bank, use it to reconcile your internal records to check whether they tally, whether there is any discrepancies, and you make the balance and checks. The bank statement is a very important document in bookkeeping. Then there is another book we call the ledger, where you document all financial transactions like accounts payable and account receivable. Account payable are those, it tracks the payments that you need to make to your suppliers. Accounts payable tracks payments you need to make to your suppliers, while account receivable tracks the payment that you anticipate receiving from your distributors or from your customers. So ledger is okay for a business that have gone far. And also another book is the journal, which you use to chronologically record what is in the ledger. So these are the books you need to keep in your business. I will list them again for you, one after the other. You have the cash book, you have the inventory book, you have the purchase book, you have the assets register, you have the expense book. Then I say something about the bank statement and your payroll register plus a sales book. Maintaining these books accurately and up to date will keep you going in your business, and they are crucial for financial management and financial plan. For you to manage your finances, your business finances very well, you need to keep all these books that I mentioned. They're very important. They are also crucial for business decisions and business strategies. They are also crucial for identifying trends and opportunities. Because when you check your sales book, for instance, you can see that maybe in a particular season, cash flow is more than other seasons. It's a trend. Then also in your sales book, you can also see that a particular product sells faster than other products within a particular period in the year. So these are business information that you need to push your business forward. So these books are so crucial for all these things: the financial management, for financial planning, for business decision making, for business strategies, for monitoring and tracking trends and opportunities in your business and business environment, and also for managing cash flow and liquidity. These are the benefits of keeping the books in your business. In today, we have different digital methods that you can use. Many businesses use accounting software. I don't want to mention some names here. You can go and search them. This accounting software will help you to streamline your bookkeeping and accounting process. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your views. If you have any comments, please go to the comment section and type in your comments. I'll pick it up from there. I'll reply you in the next video. Thank you for watching.